Giving this little gem to work on today. The customer's complained of an odour problem, like a damp smell in the car. Well, it doesn't take a genius to work out that that odour is actually coming from seat belts and a mould problem that this car's got. Unfortunately, the customer doesn't want to go to too much expense on this vehicle, so we've been instructed to clean the seats and the seat belts. My honest opinion would be it needs a full interior cleanse, but this is an 08 registered car. You've got to draw the line somewhere at the end of the day. Spending £400 on getting the interior fully cleansed is not going to add £400 to the value of the car. Anyway, let's come back to this in a short while after we've cleaned the seats and the seat belts. 3 hours later, these are the results. So the seats have been cleansed. We've used Micro Cleanse, which is a product which will kill bacteria and fungus, and it's obviously dealt with the problem with mould in the car. There was some mould on the seats and certainly on the seat belts, but that has been treated, removed. There you go. If you have a mould problem in your vehicle, don't try and tackle it yourself. Mould is very, very dangerous. Call the professionals, call ProSteam, 01252 319 3191.